Hey, it's Clay Trader for BullWarriorStocks.com, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SKTO. We will take a look at the 60-minute time frame. I did this one yesterday, and then today it absolutely exploded. So here is the daily chart, and if you follow my videos, you remember me doing it yesterday on this day. Today, gap up, and this is what we call a gap and run. Gap, and then just exploded. Just a mammoth move. Another big winner here. But I want to do this on the 60-minute because, well, I'm not going to call the daily chart worthless because, like I said, we can tell that it exploded today in volume and price. But outside of that, there's not really too much we can extrapolate from the chart. But if we go down in the 60-minute, I think things get a little bit more easy to see and the picture becomes a little bit clearer. So what I mean by 60-minute chart, if you're not familiar with charting, is instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you normally see, each one represents an hour's worth of price action. So really what I want to mainly talk about is the levels of support that have been established. The first one being right down here at the bottom of this candle. And this is what I would call the ideal level of support, meaning if you were to ask me what would make the chart look the strongest, I'd answer if 0.0197 can hold going forward, that would make the chart look extra strong. Now, if it doesn't, there are still plenty of other supports below you. The next one being right down here at the previous high of that candle, which is at 0.0175. And then the next being down here at this previous high. Now, I would consider this one a little bit more important. That's at 0.0123. So I'm going to make this line actually change it to green. And then make it a little bit thicker to just represent it being a more important level of support. So down here, those are going to be the levels of support, with, again, 0.0123 being more the important level. But really, at the end of the day, as long as the price remains above these two moving averages down here, the 50 period and 200 period, then the overall flavor of the chart will remain in the bull's favor. In terms of resistances, if there's going to be any sort of kind of bounce from this current consolidation, the first level that's needed is going to be broken is right here at, let's see, what is that, 0.0237. You can see right there it got rejected, and then there was a previous resistance over here. After 0.0237, nothing until resistance-wise up at 0.0297. And then the big one up here where the profit taker stepped in, and that's at 0.0329. But all in all, a monster day. So if it decides to pull back or go sideways some more, that would be not shocking at all because it's been a monstrous move. But as long as these support levels hold that I've talked about, and as long as it remains above these moving averages, then I'd chalk any sort of consolidation up to just being totally healthy. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out my private trading group down here if you have not yet. It's a group of traders from beginners all the way up to experienced traders. We've been making some good money together already, and you don't have to take my word for it. All you have to do is click on up there and read some of the testimonials. Those are all third-party, unsolicited. They're from people that have already signed up. We have a live chat room coming, so if you want to hang out with me and other quality traders, we do have that function on, coming soon. But I should warn that when it does come, there will be a new pricing structure. So take advantage of the current pricing structure, the lifetime membership, and then when the private trading group does show up, when the live chat room shows up, we can all hang out together and, stay on top of the current market events. One more time, this was SKTO. Thanks for listening, and have a good one.